Hey everyone, so this is an unboxing of the Altec Lansing Super Lifejacket, the rugged Bluetooth speaker here. See, it is waterproof, omnidirectional, IP68, 50 hours of battery life with built-in multi-smartphone charger, house party multi-speaker pairing mode. Again, I'm the omnidirectional surround sound, and it is mountable. Alright, so this is the blue one, of course. And you see it's pretty big, and it's nice and heavy too. Alright, so we got power, volume, and Bluetooth. There, of course, their side is another speaker. We got USBs, you got DC in and an aux in. That's kind of alright. The other side has nothing, but it does have this handle here. And the very bottom of it does have for the mounting on both sides. Then on the bottom here, you get, of course, a little bit of paperwork and stickers. Then there's cable here, the aux cable there. And then also you get a charger, of course, or the wall guy there. Yeah, so that's what you get with this big beast. So it should sound pretty nice. Look how big it is. It's pretty heavy too. So, alright, thank you all for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.